Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this amazing show, and today we are blessed to be here with amazing young guy who is doing a gospel music, and he's going to share with us his story and how he started doing music. And Jimmy J, welcome to our studio. So today we just want to get to know you one-on-one. We want to know who Jimmy is.
Okay.
So let me just go straight to the point. Who is Jimmy?
Okay, Jimmy is the Jimmy Jeff.
Yeah.
And ni mtu mwenye naimba gospel artist.
Yeah.
Mark artist,
Yeah.
music call artist.
Yeah.
Ni mimi.
Yeah.
So ni Jimmy Jeff, I'm a gospel artist, and that's where niko passion on naimba tu gospel.
Yeah.
Okay, in short, Jimmy Jeff ni msanii mwenye anaimba nyimbo za injili tu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And when did you discover your talent? When did you discover like, oh, now I can sing? You know, some people always start to sing in the kitchen, but we don't know where with you started.
Okay, hadi mimi nilianza tu hivyo. Mimi nilianza kuimba tu peke yangu alone tu, vile nilikuwa alone. And after that, nikakuwa hapo nikamwambia beshte wangu maze naweza imba. Cause so vile nilikuwa shy sana, hakubelieve. So pia sasa alianza kunita msanii like madharau tu.
Yeah.
So but me nilikuwa na believe kwa myself, unaona.
Yeah.
So after hiyo, okay, mimi nilijiamini tu. Nikamshow maze, one time nenda studio kuimba. So one day nilienda studio ndo wakamini.
Yeah.
But mimi nilijiamini tu. I can just make it and imba. So something like that.
That sounds interesting. So what were your parents' reaction when they first saw you singing?
Okay, when first hawakumwamini because pia wamenijua.
Yeah.
Wamenijua tu sana, like pia mimi nakuanga tu mtu mwogopai tu. So unaona, so hawakuamini, but they believe after me wakaona mimi nikishoot video, my first video.
Yeah.
Ndio waliamini, hadi kuna wasee wengi waliamini, maza unaweza imba.
Yeah.
So nikituka hiyo though hawakuamini, but for the first time.
Yeah.
But saizi wameamini and I appreciate kabisa.
Okay. Then apart from music, what else do you do?
Okay, so I'm a student still.
Yeah.
Nasoma.
Mm.
And part time pia nikipata chance nafanya music. So for now I'm a still student.
Yeah.
Niko college.
Yeah. You know, like with me, I've only heard of one of your songs, but I don't know how many songs have you done so far and the videos.
Okay, the songs ziko 5.
Yeah.
The videos 4.
Yeah.
But my niko na songs mingi anyway. Niko na songs look at 20, but the official ones ziko 5. Ni 5.
Yeah. Okay. And Jimmy, if I may ask, what have you achieved so far in music industry? What can you say like music has done for you so far in your life?
Okay, music imenisaidia kabisa. First, nimeenda kwa churches maybe, unajua na like your talent, na like naimba, like I'm feeling it, you know.
Yeah.
So music imenisaidia, in fact, maybe ukienda perform kwa church, mtu anakuja tena pesa kiasi.
Yeah.
And maybe sometimes I just out and
yeah.
So ananipea, though I use pesa in music.
Yeah.
But sijaanza ku get them back kabisa.
Yeah.
So maybe hiyo ndio imenisaidia, alafu imenisaidia ku know more about things, maybe the quality of the songs.
Yeah.
Kitambo siko najua the quality of the songs, but size like other videos I discover this song is not good, maybe this song is bad, hata kama mtu amemba bad najua.
Yeah.
So music imenisaidia a lot.
Okay, so what kind of reaction are you getting from your fans and those who are let me say like those who are listening to your music? What are the feedback you are getting from them? Are they loving what you are doing, or how are they reacting to you?
Okay, fans wangu wamenipenda, and kuna vile wameniambia like napenda vile wamenencourage. Nikazi poa, so maybe unajua maybe nikifanya kitu mbaya, lazima tuniambie tu kweli maze kitu it's not bad, like it's not good, niambie. But napenda tangu nianze music maze. Nimekuwa mimi support, nashukuru sana. Kuna mtu mwenye aje niambia like siji unafanya ujui kuimba. Because I know and I trust in myself, and like na appreciate sana vile unaniambia, when encourage, and that's why nazidi kwenda juu.
Yeah. So you know, like in everything that people always do, they always have got the challenges they go through. So with you, within the music industry, what are some of the challenges that you have come to?
Challenges ziko mingi, tena mingi kabisa.
Yeah.
Okay, first, my first challenge. Okay, in my family mazee. Okay, wanataka like wako like hawako too very much interested in my music, so there is no much support there.
Yeah.
So maybe mimi ndo najisaidia nikipata pesa naenda kwa studio, na shughuli kiasi pia naenda kwa studio. The another challenge is that mazee mimi niko mama gospel artist niko Kisumu.
Yeah.
Unajua maluska mimi huku Kisumu.
Yeah.
Mazee ni ngumu kupata.
Yeah.
Amejipa tu.
Yeah.
Kupata gospel.
Yeah.
Hapa bana wasanii wa Kisumu si fiti mazee. So like sometimes najikuta I'm the only gospel singer.
Yeah.
In Kisumu too, like naimba like songs zangu naimba tu hapa ni gospel.
Yeah.
Malisa mimi wote wameenda kwa Gagetown mazee.
Yeah.
And mimi niko ndani wao na some of them ni beshte wangu, and sometimes naweza like nimetamani sana kukuwa na mtu mmoja tu naweza imba.
Yeah.
Gospel at least tushirikiane.
Yeah.
Toe tutaka kitu.
Yeah. By the way, Kisumu artists, let's be true to one another. You know, like it is not good when someone has to go to Nairobi. Is when people can realize the kind of talent those people have. We can make something here in Kisumu. Let's support one another. Those who are doing hip hop, support those who are doing gospel.
Hata one song man.
Yeah.
Hata song moja tu ya Mungu mazi.
Let's support one another. And Jimmy J, in 2 years' time, where do you see yourself?
Okay, na mimi saizi nimejikuta mahali like niko level nyingine in terms of music. Okay, nilianza music when kazi zangu hazikuwa poa vile. Like okay, siongelee vile naimbanga like okay, nilikuwa naimba but sasa the quality of the songs.
Yeah.
But saizi naimba like vitu poa. Utatoke watch video yangu kwa YouTube from saizi the audio ukisikia tu.
Yeah.
Alafu compare na za kitambo. Like nasema niko kwa level nyingine maybe, alafu vile mafans pia najikuta najikuta niko na wengine pia wameongezeka.
Yeah.
And still nazidi kutenda.
Now we'll just love you to give us a cappella for maybe one of your songs. I heard one which goes like this. Nishampa.
Nishampa is a very nice song.
Yeah.
Ni song yangu nimefanya vizuri so far. And remember na msevulana inaitwa Cheesy Busy. It's a very young talented producer.
Yeah.
And tulianza na yeye kitabata nimejua Cheesy Busy.
Yeah.
Cheesy Busy, you are a very good artist and you are a very good producer. But you have to sing. Takupiga kofi.
You know, like
you can sing.
I don't know why people always fear singing gospel songs. And you know, like this is just God works. To be sincere, you are doing it for God. You know, like with me, if I could sing like some of you out there, I would really do a lot of the songs for God, because I love doing God's work. And Jimmy J, let me get back to you. Give us a cappella for that song, Nisha. Yeah.
Kwa neno nimesimama, kwa pendo lako nimezama, yote nitashinda kwa jina lako, bora nina imani, bali sitapinga upendo wako, usipojali sifai. Yeah, they are very nice song.
What amazing talent. Yeah.
You're the one for me, I know. Nashukuru kupatana nawe Mola, mimi nishampata, Mwokozi wangu. Yeah, the very nice song.
What amazing talent we have here on studio. GMTV 42 is found there on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Jimmy J, if we are winding up, we'll just love you to tell us where we can find you there on YouTube, Facebook, all those social media platforms.
Manze, ni Jimmy J. Just mark the name, J-E-M-M-Y.
Yeah.
Then J-E-M-M. Jimmy J.
The same name in all those social media platforms.
So Facebook, Jimmy J too. Tanipata tu mindo akusema huko.
Okay.
Jimmy J. Ni jina tu kisa Jimmy tunanipata. Follow me on Facebook. Please follow me on Instagram, Jimmy J.
Okay.
Twitter, Jimmy J. So and YouTube, Jimmy J. Maze. Like my sound. and subscribe. Please, if you like, share. Bora tukubaliki.
Let's support Jimmy Jeff there on those social media platforms. You can reach to him at, I think you have the official number where people can get in touch with you if they want to talk to you one-on-one.
Okay, my business number is 0759886602.
Yeah, I believe you also perform in those concerts and maybe functions. If people want to get to listen, if they want you to perform to their functions, they can also get in touch with you through that number there. So let's support Jimmy J and let's support talent. Jimmy J, we are grateful to host you here on our studio and we love what you are doing.
I appreciate myself.
We see you going places, bro.
Thank you, man.
Welcome again and again.
Yeah,